Fun facts about space. 1. Space smells like burnt steak. Astronaut Chris Hadfield has described the smell of space as similar to seared steak and gunpowder. This scent comes from particles that cling to their suits after spacewalks. 2. The sun is enormous. The sun's radius is 109 times that of Earth. In terms of volume, the sun could fit about 1.3 million Earths inside of it, and yet it's still considered just a medium-sized star. Venus spins the opposite way from the other planets. Most planets spin in the same direction, but Venus and Uranus like to do their own thing. Venus spins the opposite way, and Uranus spins on its side. There's a giant red spot storm on Jupiter. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a massive storm larger than Earth that has been raging for at least 400 years. Humans have left over 500,000 pounds of stuff on the moon. Since Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin landed on the moon in 1969, astronauts have left spacecraft, rovers, and other gear behind. More than 70 spacecraft vehicles are still on the moon because they are too heavy to bring back. There's water in space. Astronomers have found water in diverse forms on planets, moons, and even in giant clouds floating in space. A day on Venus is longer than its year. Venus spins so slowly that it takes 243 Earth days to rotate once on its axis, but only 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. Saturn could float in water. Saturn is so light, for a planet, that it could float in an ocean, if there were one big enough. Mercury and Venus have no moons. Mercury and Venus are moonless wonders. They're the only planets in our solar system without a single moon to keep them company. Pluto is smaller than the United States. Pluto is only about half as wide as the United States. Walking around Pluto's equator would be shorter than crossing the continental United States from coast to coast.